It's already our last day, but today is the day we are going to explore the volcano. And we're going to do that with early access. Park opens at 9. I hope it won't be too cool. We'll see. Looking forward to it.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
So, a good tip if you stay at Cabana Bay and want to go to Volcano Bay, you have to rent your towels over there. So, at the front desk they said, well, you know what, just go to the pool, take a few towels there, they're complimentary, and just bring them back afterwards and you're good. Saves us 30 bucks. And here are the towels. Making our way into Volcano Bay. Well, basically heading to the entrance. Here we are. So we got in the park, we got our TapuTapu. That's a system for a virtual line. So basically when you TapuTapu into a ride, they give you a waiting time, a virtual waiting time. You can go enjoy, relax, and then come back to do the rides. Morning! Ooh, look at that. Very nice. So, let's go explore a bit first, and then I can put the camera away. I didn't bring the GoPro on this trip because I've seen that they don't allow GoPros on the rides, and I'm not for sure, but I think they don't allow it, so why bother? That's our hotel. So we know that view now. I like the theming a lot. So I don't know if we will be able to see this with the camera, but you have the ride now, means you don't need to go TapuTapu. You can just go up to the ride and do it right away. The other ones you need to TapuTapu, and they have some rides that you never need to TapuTapu whatsoever. You just go and enjoy. Oh, I like this bar. Dancing dragons. So I think, as we both like this view, we're gonna take our little spot right over there. So this is, see where the lazy river passes by. Oh, you're bound to get wet here on that lazy river. And they do like their drying machines here in Universal. Oh, and this is the one that goes like, you go all the way up. I think you ride that, what, I think 4 and in a boat. You go all sideways. I think this one was still closed. But we can come back and do this one later. Oh man. Come up close to the volcano. These are the cabanas they rent out. Looks very comfortable. This is a smaller one. Oh, looks nice. Oh, we can go into the volcano. So, putting our stuff into the lockers, and let's go get soaked.
5 hours later.
This was it. We're back in the room. Bye bye, volcano. We're checking out. Bye bye, room. We're heading to Disney.